The distributive property tells us that the product of a sum or a difference of two numbers is going to be equal to the sum or the difference of two products. Let's model this out to test it with an addition problem. We're going to compare 5 times the sum of 4 plus 3 to see if it is equal to 5 times 4 plus 5 times 3. Well, first off, in the parentheses, 4 plus 3 gives me 7. I'm going to take that 7 and then multiply it by 5, so that gives me a total area of 35. Now, if these are equivalent, we should get 35 with our other way. 5 times 4 is going to give me 20, and then I need to do 5 times 3 to give me 15. When I add together my 20 plus 15, that's also going to give me a total of 35. And if we look, we can see our models are even identical to each other. We can also test if our expressions are equivalent by evaluating them mathematically. First, we're going to have to solve what's in the parentheses. 4 minus 2 is 2, so now we can solve 6 times 2. 6 times 2 gives me 12. Over here, we're going to start with multiplication. 6 times 4 is 24, and 6 times 2 is 12. So next we can do 24 minus 12. 24 minus 12 gives me 12, so sure enough, our expressions are equivalent. We can also think of the distributive property as distributing or giving the value outside the parentheses to those inside the parentheses. So if I wanted to distribute the A, I could give it to the B, making that AB, and then I could distribute the A to the C, making that AC, and then I could add those two values together. Same thing in subtraction. I can distribute my A by giving it to B, making that AB, and then distribute my A by giving it to C, making that AC. Then we're able to subtract our two values. When we write our expression as the product of a number and a sum or a difference, then we call that factored form. When we write our expression as the sum or a difference of two products, then we call that expanded form. Check out the other videos in our playlist and don't forget to click on subscribe. Thanks for watching!